ngicela observe i-protocol. Well done, Mgungundlovu. Ngicela nishaye izandla. Umsebenzi wethu waba very difficult. The state of readiness, it is amazing. Intwana encane nje kuphela ngabe ngidlala ngani ngempela mangabe ngithi ngiqamangula intwana nje encane. Well done for abantwana abancane. We witnessed, we enjoyed their renditions, beautiful voices. You kept their voices pure and natural. Ilapha nalaphayana nje mhlambe whereby we need to learn to control our voices up, but it was amazing. When it comes to laba bacula ngamabili, let us try and strike a balance between the two voices, a balance of the harmony. Kwamanye ama instances besizwe indlela eyodwa uthola ukuthi the other part is absent. But in terms of intonation, umncane kakhulu efuneke sigcizelele. Ngiyacela colleagues, lokho enikwenzayo ningakiki nezwe. Lokho enikwenzayo ikhona khona ngempela, but niqinise namabhawodi lapha kwi-intonation njalo before i-rehearsal. Mhlawumbe badlalela abantwana ngemelodika, siyayeke sik-avoid ukuthi ubaculele wena. Badlalele nje ngemelodika. If you are not skilled kwi-melodika, try and get some help kubantu abazokwenzela mhlawumbe let's say ama-tuning instruments, siyabiza ngama-tuning instrument, piano, melodika and stuff like that, but everything was well off. Bese siya lapho kwa-special schools, especially laba abanama-accompaniment, try and strike a balance between the accompaniment ne-choir. Sometimes uthola ukuthi accompaniment it overpowers i-choir. So if the choir yakho uzoyehlisa, make sure, because accompaniment is part of the performance. So I make it clearly by part of your performance. Conductor, make sure that you include them in the performance. Other than that, colleagues, we really enjoyed ourselves. Thank you very much.